Hey everyone, Tom here, and today we're going to take a look at our new compact pump-up sprayer. Now to help show how this works, we have Mike using it to keep the warehouse clean during these times. The compact pump-up sprayer is a handheld device that is used to easily and quickly disinfect or sanitize smaller areas without having to come in direct contact with your hands. It has a 0.4 gallon or a 1.5 liter container that is compatible with a number of ready-to-use products such as quaternary ammonia, bleach, or PAA. It has a wide variety or a wide range of spray that it can handle, and it can even spray upside down. You can also use a dosatron or the low-flow Venturi sanitizing panel or fill station to quickly and easily fill the compact pump-up sprayer. For more information, give us a call or shoot us a message online, and thanks for watching.